I'm very productive.
I love that.
Hey, hi, Sarika.
Hey, Nix, how are you?
I am productive. How are you?
Oh wow, I love that. Productive. Okay, awesome. Yeah, I do not want to say busy, but then yeah, I'm also productive.
That's nice.
Yay, awesome. So, welcome to the Tuesday 10x tip. I'm so glad that we both are doing this. Earlier, Nixie, we were doing this way, okay? Every week, I used to pick one question or one kind of, a topic, and I used to give people the tip, what they can do about, the question or the challenge, especially for the working professionals. And I'm super glad that this time onwards, it's going to be totally new episode of Tuesday 10x tip, and you will be asking questions that we get from working professionals, and I will be answering that. I'm damn sure like it's going to be super fun, and it'll be, I mean, instead of one tip, there will be like more than 2 or 3 tips every week for our viewers. So let's add a lot of value to them, mix.
Yes, Sarika. Like I am super excited.
Yay, awesome.
Are
And
you are
before
you
we go
ready?
ahead, sorry, okay, before we go ahead, everybody, Nix is our happiness manager. She takes care of our tribe, like maybe more than a mother. Should I say that? I don't know, but yeah, she nurtures our tribe, and then she also takes care of, our branding, in fact. Yeah. So there you go, Nix. Over to you for the first question.
Thank you, Sarika. So are you ready? Are you excited to answer all the questions?
Yes, I'm super excited. I'm always up
Yes,
for, adding value.
that's great. So let's get started then.
Sure.
Okay. So we have our first question from Vignesh. Vignesh is from Bangalore.
Okay.
And Vignesh says that we are in the information age where we have a lot of information. How to use these information in a right way to be more productive?
Okay, Vignesh, absolutely fantastic question. Because you mentioned how to be productive with respect to the information. So, first of all, stop consuming lots and lots of information. If at all you're not going to apply or use in your daily life. So that's first point. The second point is check the source, check the credibility of that particular information, because information is all over, right? In the this digital or information age. So first check the credibility. Like, is it from sources like Harvard or TED Talks or Inc Talks, or or rather you could also check from which person this is coming from. Okay, so check for the credibility. That's the second thing. And then the third thing is, even before you read on, right, have an outcome or goal for that particular information. What are you going to do with that particular information, right? For example, reading a book. So what is that I'm going to apply from this book? So be clear on the outcome or goal. In this way, if you follow these 3 tips, you can definitely consume information with a goal from a credible resource or the source, and then you can be more productive, in fact. Yeah. So that's all from
That,
my side. Yeah.
that was amazing, Sarika. It's like, getting shifted from knowing to doing zone. I'm sure that,
Absolutely. I love that phrase, Nikshi. Yeah, it's not about knowing, uh, but it is all about doing. That's what is productivity all about. Thank you so much for bringing that up.
thank you, Sarika. And Vignesh, I hope this really helps. So we have our second question from Ranjini from Bangalore. Ranjini says that we all know that being grateful makes a person happy, but how does it contribute towards productivity?
Oh, lovely question. I am a person who always practices gratefulness. I mean, gratefulness practice, right? So I remember this quote next. It's not that happy people are always grateful or thankful, but then it's the people like who are thankful in their life, right, for whatever they have or whatever they want to have. So those are the happiest people. Okay, so there was a research conducted by Harvard where it says the more the happier the people are, the more the productivity in their lives, and then it is a virtuous cycle. So let us say I'm happy. When I'm happy, there are certain happiness chemicals that gets produced. It's called dopamine. Okay. The importance of dopamine, or basically the importance of dopamine is for it pushes people to take actions. Okay. We get inspired when this chemical is produced. We get inspired to take action. So as you know, productivity is all about taking action. So happiness chemical, dopamine, action, productivity. So that's the virtuous cycle. So when you're grateful, you're happy. And when you're happy, you're productive. So that's all I would say.
Okay. So you mean that dopamine rush is the key to productivity?
Absolutely. Absolutely. And if anybody wants to be productive, just be thankful. Just say, I'm thankful to, but mean it up, mean it. Feel it and then mean it. Okay. I am grateful to my life today, or I'm grateful to yet another beautiful day in my life today. This one thing, the one statement will shift your perception towards having a beautiful, happier, and productivity.
That was very insightful, Sarika. This is something very new for me. Okay. I'm sure that this would have helped Ranjini a lot.
Yes, and many of our viewers too. Yeah.
Definitely, Sarika. Okay. So we have one more question from Bindu from US. Mm-hmm. She wants to know how to get out of the comfort zone and how does it contribute towards being more productive?
Oh, wow. I love this question. Okay. So first of all, whenever people want to get out of comfort zone, which is an illusion, it's an illusion. Comfort zone is an illusion, first of all. Whenever people think like, let me come out of the comfort zone, let me take risk, there is an automatical psychological phenomena that happens where it puts people into a fear zone, fear of unknown. Okay. And also, it leads to performance anxiety, leading to lots of stress. Okay, this is what it happens. Yeah. So now, let us look leaving the comfort zone in a different way. So consider that, Bindu, consider that you are in a circle, which is your comfort zone. When you're stepping out of the comfort zone, think that, you are in the learning zone rather than the performance zone. Start learning about whatever you want to learn out of your comfort zone. So focus on the learning zone rather than performing at your best. Once you acquire competencies, then only you can perform the best, right? So shift your perception from performance zone to
learning zone. Yes.
That's it. So when we are learning, okay, when we learn, right, we win. When we win, we celebrate. When we celebrate, automatically there is another happy chemical that gets produced. When we celebrate, again, dopamine gets produced. When dopamine gets produced, it will inspire us to take action and thereby leading to productivity. So automatically stress hormones will get reduced. I hope this helps you, Bindu.
Definitely. Personally, it helped me, Sarika. And I'm very sure that our viewers will also learn a lot from this episode.
Yeah.
Totally. Thank you so much, Sarika.
Hey, thanks. I totally enjoyed this conversation with you, Nick. So viewers and our dear working professionals. So from next week onwards, we are going to collect a lot of questions. So if you have any questions to be answered, so we have the form given in the comments section. Please go fill the form, and then we would love to answer all of your questions because we want you to start enjoying your stress-free life and become more productive because we want to live all of your dreams right in this life. All right. So on that note, Nick, anything that you have to say?
No, Sarika, nothing from my end.
Okay. On that note, be 10x productive.
Or more.
That's it, people from our side. Thank you so much for watching and have a super duper productive day and week ahead. See you next Tuesday. Bye. Thanks, Nick. Bye.
Bye, Sarika. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm going to indulge in my phone. All right. Okay.